Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob. I'm coming to you from home in Southern California. Right now we still got good weather. We're about mid 60 and cool. I even got my fleece jacket on while the rest of the country and Europe are battling 108, 110 degree temperature. So we're lucky here. Anyway, I got something to show you here. This is an alcohol stove I bought from from Amazon for $37. Now, I think Temu and AliExpress are selling this for like 58 or something. So, price was good and excellent workmanship. Solid aluminum, heavy, and it comes with its own pan stand. So you just pull on these and turn. So it's very stable. And then you can just take this top cover off. It comes with a windbreaker, windscreen, and it has two burners made of brass. And it is a enclosed system with a 200cc reservoir in here. You put about that much alcohol in there, and then you turn it over to let alcohol get into the coil there, and then you just lit it. And then the heat transfer from the side of the unit evaporates the alcohol, and because it's enclosed, it creates a pressure, and the pressure jets out from the holes in there to burn. Well, this is the first time I turn it on, and there's some wind here. Let's see, some wind, so kind of windy. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, sure it's windy. The unit comes with alcohol holder like this, 3 of them. I just use the middle one. Okay, now let's I'm just gonna put in about half of this. I'm using heat, which is methanol. Of course, methanol is about 25% less energy than ethanol, but it burns clean. Okay, I use that much. Burns clean. No soot. Well, neither does ethanol. But I couldn't get ethanol around here, so I just got heat, which is cheap also. You gotta tighten this because it needs to be airtight. Use a yellow heat because 4 of them is like $8.50 from Walmart for 4. Each one has 12 ounces. Now, methanol is toxic, so don't drink that. But nobody in his right mind is gonna drink that. So I have a field. Now let's turn it over a couple times. Okay. Now let's take that off. You can see the hole in there for the pressure to come out. Okay. Okay. It's lit because the alcohol burns clear, no flame, colorless flame. So put that on there. Yeah, oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot. You can hear it. So it is lit. I got Van Camp's pork and beans here. We'll see how it goes. Put it on. It may take a while because it's kind of windy here. So right now it's 5:42. Oh, it's already bubbling there. Just like 2 minutes afterwards. So we'll see. Can't see the flame until dark. When it's dark, you can see it. So, yeah, this is totally cool. It's barely warm. It comes with a rubber base there. You can put it on. Steaming. Beginning to bubble. Okay, it's boiling, and yeah, about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Cool. So 7, 8 minutes in a windy condition. So I use the heat, which is you can get from Walmart. Methanol, which is a pure methanol. And yeah, this unit comes with a funnel to add alcohol in there. Yeah, has a bag. Making me hungry. I'm eating it. Whoa, hot. So the name of this stove is Gexdes. 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 From Amazon. There are other makers look the same, but they're charging like $58, $60. So if you excuse me, I'm gonna eat my dinner or early dinner. You can just put it over to turn it off. It's over, but I'm not gonna do it right now. This thing puts out a lot of heat. You can just hear the power. More than enough for a whole meal and more if you're camping. This thing only has on and off. You cannot adjust the temperature. But it's good. It's warm. It's hot. That's all you need. Okay, now it's going out. 53 minutes. So that was 10 minutes. 10-12 minutes. Still eating my beans. delicious. So you have to let it cool down completely before you touch it. And now I've eaten my beans. This is how much fuel I used. I started out not quite 100. Now it's at more than 50. I use about 40, 45, 40 cc. Put that on. For storage, make sure you loosen this valve so it doesn't put too much pressure on the O-ring. Like that. Now it's ready for storage. Back in its bag. Now, thank you for watching. Nice weather. Still wearing my fleece jacket. Nice. It is July 2nd, 2026 in Southern California. Thank you for watching.